Hey, how's it going, guys? Asad here, and in this video I'm gonna talking about every method in array objects. So you can say array constructor. So let me show you. First, just give you an example. Just to make a function called below threshold. And then make a parameter called current value. After that, we will pass return current value, then 40. So when you do that, it will check the current value. This is what it does. So, and yeah, it will return an boolean because there is nothing to it. And now what we're gonna do is create an array 1 equals 1 comma 30 comma 39 comma 29 comma 10 comma 13. So when we do that, it will make an array. And now what we want to check is that below threshold. But there is a problem with that. If we do that, it will check the whole array, which is for us impossible. So there is a method called every log array dot every. What it does, it will check every element one by one and say, is that okay or not? So, and inside that we will pass the function. That's kind of weird, I know. I think you are the first to see this as a function as a parameter. There is another ways like proxy, but this is one of that. So yeah, everything is true because everything current value is smaller than 40. So true. And if any one of them be like this one change into 41, it will be false. So this is what it does. So hope you understand. And if you have any problem regarding this, you can hit me in the comments, and see you guys in the next tutorial.